Hey guys, it's Admire FX right here. Thanks for joining our channel. Please do well to like, share and subscribe. So I wanted to share my trading journey with you guys. It's been a while. I just thought as much to trying to seeing how I could flip a $10 account up to taking it to $100 and to $500. So I just had to play some trades. When I got some good entries and confirmations, I had to play some trades, which I dropped some of them on my Telegram community. Those people that are on the community also benefited from the entries, or could also make money from it. So like here in Step Index, so like I said, I took this account from $10 down to $48, and now our equity balance is around $70. We are yet to close because we're still hoping the market is gonna come down. I think my first set of entries was on the Step Index, somewhere around this region here, up here in this first box up here. So I just had 2 entries. You know, when you're flipping accounts, you go all in. All right, and you have to be very certain about your entry. So I made some entries here and I closed down here, and on seeing this rejection back to this support being turned resistant, I had to put another entry. Let me show you guys where I dropped the signal for the Step Index. Okay, this November 7th. This is the recent signal which I dropped, and you can see we are already in profit here. I want to show the first signal. Yes, this was the first signal. Very cute on 15-minute time frame. A very good, cute sniper entry. You can see the before there and the after below. So here's our community. If you are not on our community, you can follow the link on the description below. Click on the link there to join our Telegram community for free signals. As you can see, I do drop the signals here all for free. So we made some profit from up here down here, which we closed, and we entered again on this second signal which I dropped on this retracement, and we are still holding. Like you can see. So we are looking how to see how we can push this account, trade it up to $100 and $500. So I'm going to keep you guys updated on the process, and I'm still going to make some withdrawals from it too. So I just wanted to see how I could flip accounts. Like, it's been a while I tried trading small account or flipping them. So I just found this $10 and see how I could flip it. Alright, so even small capitals, is possible to flip small capitals if you really know what you're doing. Please do well to like, share and subscribe. I'm still gonna shoot another video on how precise, what gave me the confirmations and how I was able to make these sniper entries. Alright, I'm still gonna shoot another video, so you guys should anticipate the next video after this one. I'm going to show you guys how I was able to get all these confirmations, and my TP somewhere down here where liquidity is being rested. All right, my TP somewhere down here. So apparently before we get there, we even make more than we are going to 20x the account. So let's see the progress of the account and how far we can go. Once again, it's your boy Admire FX. Do well to like, share and comment, and also let us know on the comment section what kind of videos you would love us to share or create on our next video too. I'm going to drop the link to the Telegram channel on the description below, so just check the description below and click on it to join our free Telegram channel for free signals and other educational Forex videos. Once again, thanks. See you on the other side. Ciao.